Welcome, where we explore everything you need to know about cryptocurrency to build your financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving deep into the history of Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency that started it all. Bitcoin isn't just a digital currency, it's a revolution that's reshaping global finance. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, understanding Bitcoin's history will give you insights into its future potential. Here's what we'll cover in this video: the origins of Bitcoin and who created it, key milestones in Bitcoin's evolution, the rise of Bitcoin as a global financial asset, how Bitcoin changed the world of finance, what the future holds for Bitcoin. Make sure to watch until the end for an important look at how Bitcoin's history could impact its future. Let's jump in. Part 1. The creation of Bitcoin. Who created it? In 2008, a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, we don't know the true identity of Nakamoto, but this paper laid out the foundation for a decentralized digital currency that would change the world forever. Bitcoin was designed to solve the fundamental problems of traditional financial systems, such as the need for intermediaries like banks and the threat of inflation caused by centralized control. By using blockchain technology, Bitcoin created a system where transactions could be verified without the need for a central authority. Part 2. The first Bitcoin transaction. The first Bitcoin transaction took place in January 2009, when Satoshi Nakamoto sent 10 BTC to Hal Finney, a cryptographer and one of Bitcoin's early supporters. This marked the beginning of Bitcoin's real-world usage. At the time, Bitcoin was almost worthless. In fact, the first real-world transaction involving Bitcoin occurred in May 2010, when Laszlo Hanyecz, a programmer, paid 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas. That transaction is now infamous, as 10,000 BTC was worth around $41 back then. And today, it would be worth over $250 million. Part 3. The early struggles and milestones. From 2009 to 2012, Bitcoin went through several early challenges. During these early years, it was mostly used by tech enthusiasts and cryptographers. There was little to no public awareness, and Bitcoin was mostly traded on forums and niche online communities. However, 2011 marked a significant turning point. Bitcoin began to gain recognition as a potential alternative currency. Bitcoin exchanges, such as MT, GOX, started appearing, and Bitcoin's value began to increase. By 2013, Bitcoin had reached a value of $1,000 for the first time. Part 4. The Bitcoin bubble of 2017. In 2017, Bitcoin saw its first massive bull run, surging from around $1,000 at the start of the year to an all-time high of $20,000 in December. This price surge attracted huge media attention, and Bitcoin started to enter the mainstream spotlight. However, as with any bubble, Bitcoin's value quickly crashed after hitting its peak. By early 2018, Bitcoin's price had dropped to $6,000. This marked a critical moment in Bitcoin's history, where many thought it was the end of the cryptocurrency. But this was just the beginning. Part 5. Bitcoin's institutional adoption. While Bitcoin's price was fluctuating, it was beginning to gain recognition from larger institutions and investors. By 2020, major companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square began to invest heavily in Bitcoin, seeing it as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. In 2021, Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds, were introduced, further validating Bitcoin's legitimacy as a financial asset. The adoption of Bitcoin by institutions and businesses signaled the new chapter in its history, one where it could no longer be dismissed as a speculative asset. Part 6. Bitcoin as digital gold. Bitcoin's status as digital gold has only grown stronger. Just like gold, Bitcoin is seen as a store of value, immune to inflationary pressures created by traditional fiat currencies. Investors and businesses began looking at Bitcoin as an asset that could provide long-term security. Bitcoin's deflationary design, with a fixed supply cap of 21 million BTC, ensures that no more will ever be created. This limited supply is a key factor in its appeal, especially as governments around the world continue to print more money. Part 7. Bitcoin's future. What's next? So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Many believe Bitcoin is on the verge of mainstream adoption, with countries like El Salvador already making it legal tender. Bitcoin's integration into traditional financial systems, coupled with growing institutional support, points toward more widespread use in the future. However, challenges still remain, including scalability issues, regulatory concerns, and competition from newer cryptocurrencies. But Bitcoin's resilient nature, its track record of survival through multiple crises, and its decentralized ethos suggests that it's here to stay. The history of Bitcoin is a fascinating journey from a theoretical concept to becoming a global financial asset. From humble beginnings to soaring in value, Bitcoin has overcome numerous obstacles and continues to shape the future of money. Whether you're just starting with crypto or an experienced investor, understanding Bitcoin's history gives you a clearer vision of its potential impact on the world's financial landscape. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future crypto content. Share this video with your friends and leave a comment below about what you think Bitcoin's future holds.